Okay, so this time, again, I'm multiplying with radicals, but this time it's like I'm going to be doing the distributive property. I'm going to, in the first one, I have radical 3 times the quantity 5 plus radical 3. I'm going to distribute this radical 3 to everything that's inside of the parentheses. So the first one is going to be 5 root 3, because there's no number in front to multiply with the 5, just a 1. And the 5 doesn't have anything to multiply for the radical 3, so it just stays like that, 5 radical 3. But then in the second part, I'm going to have a plus because there's a plus sign there. Radical 3 times radical 3 is radical 9. So this actually becomes 5 root 3 plus 3. And that's my answer. Okay, next problem. So on this one, I have 2 radical 5 times radical 6 plus 2. So again, I'm going to do the distributive property. So 2 times the 1 in front of the radical 6 is 2. Radical 5 times radical 6 is radical 30. And then over here, 2 root 5 times 2. So I'm going to put a plus sign because there's a plus sign here. 2 times 2 is 4. And the radical 5, there's nothing I can do with that one. Now, radical 30, I don't think any perfect squares go into that. Let's take a look and make sure. So I'm going all the way back up to my top where I have all these perfect squares. So let's see. 30 comes after 36. So 25 does not go into 30. 16 doesn't go into 30. 9 doesn't go into 30. 4 doesn't go into 30. No, I don't think so. I don't think we can simplify it. It'll just stay like that. So it'll be 2 root 30 plus 4 root 5. And we do not combine these any further. They are not like terms because this is radical 30 and this is radical 5. So we cannot combine these. They stay just like this. All right, and here is your try it problem.